Hello, good morning to everyone. Good evening and good afternoon. Today is Thursday morning and we are here at our backyard. So I'm just having a video for our plants. This is the opportunity for me to take a video of our veggies area. As the weather is good and the family are here, they're all available, and AJ, I did not let him go to school today because he was having a slight sore throat last night. So here in Canada, we are not really the school are not really too strict on the kids, like they're not particular on absenteeism of the school of the kids, as long as they are reasonable not to go to school because, like, for example, slight fever or like cough and stuff. So this is a good one. So, and here is our Chinese how do you call it, Chinese broccoli, and we use this for our sinigang or nilaga and the stir fry. And there's the beans. I need to harvest it because it's quite big now. So this is the first year we planted this kind of stuff. So maybe by next year, it's like there are lots of stuff here. Although yesterday we harvested some, but look at here, there's too many. So we need to start harvesting them, like well, probably matured. And this one here is, hey AJ, are you doing exercise?
Yep.
Show me. Oh, it's what's out, just slowly. Ano pala yan, dapat pala ilagay na konti, hindi ba nakakasira? Ay sabay, hindi naman sabay eh. Parang
I'm tired.
Yeah, it's not, that's not really for you, it's for adult. Oh, okay, the thing here is this is our small plant areas. We have chili, talong, eggplant, and we have tomatoes. So this is the first time I just cut those branches and stuff because I saw it in YouTube or Reels that this will help make tomato grows just like that fast, which is good. And this is our sitaw, not sitaw basically, it's just, see, we have a lot of beans, so I need to harvest those yet. And the kale.
There's dumbbells outside.
Where? Yeah, that's the kale is good for sinigang also, nilaga. This is better than pizza.
Looking for the other dumbbell? It's inside there.
Oh, how many then?
The dumbbell inside the house.
Yeah, we have to bring them out and so that we can use it. Oh, this is see? I really need to get this one here. These are good one in the Philippines because it's really a long one. It's a long beans. It's baggy beans. This is a good one for, and you have chickpeas. And that's it. See here? Katuwa naman, daming bunga. See? I'm just talking on English language because most of our viewers are Filipino born here and they don't understand what I'm talking about in Tagalog. At the same time, for AJ is it's at the moment because well, for us, we Filipino, we don't mind about having we don't know English language, I mean Tagalog language for the time being, for AJ, because 99% of the English, the communication that he uses in the school and with his friends and classmates are English, and most of the kids here who were born in Canada, they're English. But of course, for me, I said because he's just young. He's just 6 years old. So, I mean, he's still a bulol. So I told to my wife, okay, let him concentrate on talking in English. Because poor Filipino, you know, we are very versatile on...
I'm born in Canada, but I speak Filipino. But I
Do
don't
you?
know how.
See, that's what I'm saying. Well, forget about that one later. Because we Filipinos, we don't mind. I mean, we can easily adapt it speaking in different languages whenever we go around the world. So for EJ, because we are both Filipinos, the difference, you know, we speak Filipino inside the house. So he hears what we are saying, and of course he understands sometimes. But we talk to him in English. But I told to my wife, okay, let him be, because he will be confused sometimes. So it's good. I mean, for us, we Filipino, we really can adapt easily in English. When we go to Visayan area, we can speak in 1 week. We can speak. When you go to Middle East, we speak Arabic. When you go to China, we speak China. When we go to Germany, we speak German. So I thought there's no big deal about AJ should learn, because he's a Filipino in a way. So he can learn Tagalog later. So this is the thing that we have here. So I have to harvest them. Marami, oh. And this is our apple. Before, like 3 weeks ago, every day we're picking them up because they're falling down. See? But before there was like a huge of apples here, but now. And this is plums, cherries, still some. There's some cherries, but we pick them up too, and we have some apple there too. So this one, whenever winter is coming by next month, actually September, October it's really the start of winter. So all this one will be totally, you know, it's look like a dried trees, small trees, and it's nothing. It's totally white. This backyard will be totally white during winter, and we'll be installing again skating rink to play for us, especially for AJ to play skating rink. Okay, by the way, this one is our alugbati. So I don't think this will, because we cannot keep those one. And these are we did not dig. This is harvest our talong. We might probably transfer this in the pot and put it inside the house. We'll see. And this is also sitaw. Not a sitaw, it's beans also. That's a beans. We have ampalaya here too. That's a beans here. Look, there's too many. That's too many. Look. Ano, ang dami oh. Naglawit siya. I have to pick them up. This is our ampalaya. Hopefully, unfortunately, even the kalabasa, you have a squash here too. And, yeah. Yes. What do you need? Oh. Okay.
I used the dumbbell.
Yeah.
Dumbbell, Papa.
Where? From inside?
There.
Oh, okay.
There's a 5-weight, 3-weight inside there, and I carry it with one hand.
Wow. You're so strong. Can you do the flip?
The flip? Okay.
Show me. Watch out. AJ, this one is...
I haven't done this for a long time now.
Really?
3 years.
Oh, that's cool.
Now it's super bouncy.
Yeah,
Because
it's
when
cool.
I do a flip,
So this
when I
one
sit
I
down,
installed
I bounce
the
to
disco
there.
lights. Look at those lights. And even inside the gazebo. So in the evening, when EJ plays here in trampoline
Papa,
and
I'm
we
going
play.
to the gym.
Oh, that's a new one then.
Huh?
That's another one.
No, look.
So where's the other one that we got inside the house? How many are those? Show me. Oh, you got 3. Okay.
5-way.
Yeah. Okay. That's cool.
So,
So and then during the winter, then we AJ is playing here skating, and I play the
I'm
music,
going to the gym.
and we have those dancing lights. This is cool. Okay, that's everything now. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you. Bye for now. Let's go na, anak.